Shannon's husband?
Shannon who?
Shannon Isis.
Really dad? Oh yeah, Shannon. She's one guy of
Sick
thick one.
Yeah. Yeah.
Hello, what's up? What's up, guys? What's up, guys? It's Micah here, back with another video. Today we are going to be storm chasing, and you might be wondering, what's this game? Well, you guys, welcome to the wonderful world of Helicity. Okay, better get my should I get my Dominator? 53. Turn my. There has to be a turn. Oh, so I gotta go south today. Dahan. Wait a minute. Get high with it. Test. How we. Okay. No, let's join. Let's join it. Do. Hey! I have to respawn in mode. I have to spawn in Malaka. Please work. Okay, thank you. As I was saying. Dang it. No. Okay. I guess I'm just gonna. Whoa. Parking brake. Okay, guys. So welcome to the first episode of Helicity. And yes, this is not my first time playing Helicity. I've played it many times. So with that being said, I played it 2 months ago. Or 1 month ago, maybe. Here's the number. My probe is the number 1. Anyway, so maybe 1 month ago, and the first time I played, I was like, dude, and I was like, okay, I love this game. I'm gonna play it more often. But there was a big problem. One, if you want to play this and you're not signed up, then have luck. Doing that. If you are not a kid, then go ask your parent. But so I asked my mom to sign up, because you have to sign up to play Helicity now. And I'm like, dude, why can't it be free again? So when I was like, I'm gonna see Helicity, and on my iPad I can't even play Twisted. So why would I be able to play Helicity? Anyway, so yeah. So I'm coming out.
Okay. Turn that light out in there. Hey.
Hon.
Hey, do you want to turn the light out?
Hon, let me please. Anyway, if you want to play Helicity, then you have to sign. Then you have to sign up. What? I'm spawning my Tahoe actually. Here comes the sunrise. Go. Okay. Thank you. What is that? Doing something at 9. No storm. Let's go ahead. Velocity, TVS cycle, on tornado tracks. Just kidding, no tornado tracks. Ran on site. Let's Kimmer. Oh my God, so I'm the closest to Kimmer. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna take.
Did yours, Michael? Did you put yours in the garbage?
That's tanks.
Which one is Tank?
The ones that you're holding.
He said it was yours.
What? No, no, those are tanks. I saw him eating them earlier.
So you ate all yours?
No, I didn't eat all of mine, but
That's yours. Maybe my daddy got mine.
Where's yours?
Oh yeah, he did. He got mine.
Where's yours at, Michael?
in the garbage.
Why you throw yours away?
Didn't you say?
Huh?
Didn't you say that? Did
Did I
you?
say to throw chips away? The crackers away?
No,
Yeah, I remember.
No, that's mine at first, and this is Micah's because I'm not sitting right here. I'm sitting over there, and he is sitting right here.
You said you threw the crackers away?
No,
Yeah.
no,
Wait a minute, I'm talking to Michael.
he's
Why
lying.
did,
Okay, fine. It's my crackers. It's my crackers.
why would he lie and say he threw them away? Did you throw yours away then?
No, because
He said he threw his away.
no, my daddy got mine because I'm not sitting right here. I'm sitting right there.
Michael, did you throw crackers away?
No,
Why?
no.
Wait a minute.
Because Grandma said, or at least I thought that Grandma said.
I know, but
You thought Grandma told you to throw them away? Why you thought I told you to throw them away?
Huh?
Why you thought I told you to throw the crackers away?
Cause I was sitting.
Dang, I'm talking to him.
Okay, fine. It's my crackers. End of the conference.
No, I want to know why you threw them away. You said you thought I told you. Why you
Didn't
thought I
throw
told
them
you?
away. Didn't throw them away. Those are my crackers.
I don't understand. What it sounded like is he was saying that it was so many garbage because your daddy said he seen just about a whole thing of crackers in the garbage.
You see? I did throw them away.
You did or you didn't?
I did.
The garbage is out. So you saying you threw the crackers away?
Fine, it's my crackers. I didn't throw them away. I didn't.
look, I never sit there.
They're my crackers.
Because
They're my
TT,
You put my arms right
so
here.
Micah's was sitting over there, so those were Micah's.
Yes.
So you threw the crackers away. Why did you throw the crackers away?
Because I'm too full.
If you full, don't throw them away. Somebody else will eat them.
look, can I get some chicken nuggets?
So yeah, I got. Right now I'm heading for the store, and we're definitely gonna get a tornado quick. So. Funnel. I see that is a funnel. Hold on, let me check. Whoa. Yeah, no, that's rotation. That's what. No, that's the funnel. That's the funnel. Yeah, that's the funnel. Oh, I got it. I see it. Am I in the path?
Micah, you can lie and see. Look, you don't have my account. That's weird, though. flashing and stuff. But you don't even make any sense.
It might be coming right for me. That is good. That is good. Take up!
Hey,
Oh my God.
you can ignore if you don't like what people are saying. You got headphones on. You can definitely ignore it. Here, come blah blah over here. Come on, come blah blah over here. Come blah blah over here. I'm not gonna let you be annoying. Come on, let's go. Come on. Sit right here. That's all you gotta do is sit right here. No, he wanna sit right there so he can be annoying. I know. Sit right here, Tank.
Never mind, I'm not doing a blah 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 stuff.
No, sit right here anyway. Come on, boy. Sit right here.
Oh my gosh. Go. Oh, we got a funnel, we got a funnel. That's a funnel, we got a...
Dad, this tunnel is really good. Stop it.
Go. Alright, oh my gosh. Go. Go. Go right. Go right now. Go right now. Go. 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 Go, 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 go. Oh my gosh. Is there a new tornado? Then. Dang it. Yeah, no, this thing is it's right over me. It's above our heads right now. Is there a new tornado? Cause I need one. I literally need one. Oh, I could hear the roar. It's so close. It's so close. Go. This tornado. This boom stack tornado. Oh, we got a new tornado. Going south, going north right now, going north. We got a new funnel. See that rotation? Here we go. The road. See where we can find ourselves an intercept. There we go. Oh my gosh. am I in the path? I'm basically in it. I'm basically in it. Is it coming right for me? Let's see if it's coming right for me. Alright, and then, oh, it is. Which one? It's moving. Oh, here we go. Dropping probes. Get in the barn. Oh my gosh. And these little tornadoes. Gosh, no, get in. Get in. It's red. It is red. Screaming at the top of my lungs. It is red. Eight. We got nine. 10. Oh my gosh. My vehicle's gone. My vehicle's dead. Okay, nope, never mind. Still a couple miles away. Oh! It's coming! Here we go. My vehicle's gone. No. I'm dead. I'm done. Gotta get by the debris. Oh no. This is not good. This is not good. This is not good. It's pink. No, I'm done.
Michael.
Oh no. We ran on the edge. I'm okay. Whoa. What happened? No, get in, but get in my Tahoe. No. Alright, we're headed for the pill. No. Don't you dare. Get me. Wow, that's strong. I have 200 now. Gosh. How am I getting that much money? Okay, what in the world? I think I deployed on this road. Aha, there's my probe. 129! 129! EF3 alert, EF3. Violent. Absolutely violent. And that thing got shredded. Violent. Dude, maybe I should have ridden it out with park and brake. I remember something that tornado again because that thing was, sheesh, it's a strong one. Is it weakening? Yeah, it's weakening. It's going off the map. Okay, we're headed for that storm. Never mind. Never mind. Never mind. Okay. So main goal, get the Titus. Oh yeah. Anyway, if you guys do not know what the Titus is, then I will show you. This is the Titus. Let's take a tour. You see those windows? Those are polycarb windows. Some lights. A driver's scoffing stabilized camera. Cameras eyes from every angle. A 5-ton winch. 4mm solid steel armor. Now back here we have our mini weather center. Comes equipped with a wind anemometer and a potentiometer. This is a combination of my life's work. Oh yeah. What about the turret? Oh yeah. You might be wondering, what is this thing on the top of the vehicle? Is it a spinny thing for kids to go on? Just like me in real life? No. It is wrong one. It is a turret. It's a turret for all of those storm chasers out there. It's a stop, and that guy can give us a 360-degree angle to get us the shot of the century, the eye of the tornado. Cut. That means cut, Jacob. Okay, stop making lines. Get to work. Get to work. You got a storm. Chop, chop. Go, go. Whoa, new storm. Okay, which? Stop. Wait a minute. That storm has bigger out. This storm has. Dude, just go look for the one you feel, Micah. Whoa, hold on. We got rotation. Never mind. Oh, we got that's large. That's yellow. No, look at this. It's yellow. It's yellow. Okay, I'm putting on cruise. After a little bit, don't fear. We'll want to know how. That is large. That's large, my guys. That's large. Oh! I got this debris. Debris on the road is a hard. Oh my gosh! It's orange, folks. Where's it moving? We need to intercept it now. And be like headshot now. Okay. Gyroscopic stabilized camera. Stop. Proving me. Then like stop. Oh my gosh. Go. Go, my guy. Go. Big guy. Oh no. Go. It's angry. It's angry. Oh my gosh. Who is ready to intercept this? Cause you know your boy Micah is ready to intercept this. Oh no, it might be too late. Push! I'm punching. No, get in. You might miss it. We're missing it. Dang it! Headlights in, cause you might be going in. Hon, wait a minute. Classic line from Twister. I think we're going in. Okay, I don't really think we're going in, but just classic line for No, we're going to buy it. That's what we're doing. We're going to buy it. Oh, I can hear the roar in my headphones. That's strong. Dude, what in the world am I doing? It's angry. It's the color red. That means it's angry. Well, not really, but if it goes pink, then we're gonna have double pink TVS tornadoes. Oh my! We're about to pass. We're about to pass this thing. Yeah, that is an angry one. You're angry one, Mr. Tornado. Mr. Wedge. You really are angry. Wow, this is called the wedge. The wedge. Oh, perfect road, perfect road. This is where I died last time. Gosh, no, get in. 78. It's orange. 100, come on, 100. Dang. That thing might be lifting. And you might be wondering, why do I always turn around? Because the turning around is faster. Wait, 5. I didn't. But that's mad. I might be lifting. It's good. It's lifting. Yeah, that's lifting. Well, guys, if you enjoyed this video, then make sure to leave a like. Make sure to leave us like and subscribe if you want to subscribe and like. Anyway, there will be a part 2 that I will make a script for, and they will make a script for and film. So if you want to watch that, then that will be my next videos. And in fact, we've found some pretty good tornadoes. One actually pink TVS, which was the goal, but we're not able to get the Titus yet, and the Titus is this much. But Titus vs tornado attack. Here we go. Titus is 175 maximum wind speed threshold, and minimum wind speed threshold was 140. Tornado attacks. Oh my God! It's basically the same. It's basically the same thing, but the second one is just a 1. Anyway. So yeah, and TIV 2 is 240. Dow is, dude, that was weak. That was weaker than. That was literally weaker than the. Look at this. This is the Titus's threshold.
150,000. The Dow is 500,000. Yeah.
No. Look, the wind speed, the maximum wind speed threshold. Dude.
175 miles per hour. Wait, that's how much it can withstand?
Yep.
So the
Oh.
Titus can withstand 175 miles per hour winds, but the Dow can only stand 100 miles per hour. Why is the Dow more expensive than the Titus?
So the Titus is accustomed. The Titus. Let me.